Hey guys, whether you call it apple crumble or apple crisp, this oat-filled apple crisp is great. It's on the healthy side. I make it all the time for my kids as a breakfast item, or you can serve it as a nice healthy dessert. I like to serve it with vanilla ice cream or cinnamon flavored whipped cream. Let's make it together. You're gonna need 1 cup of ground quick oats. I put it in a bowl and I add to that 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and this is a baking brown sugar substitute that I really like to use. I grate 85 grams of unsalted very cold butter on top of the oats. Add 4 tablespoons of flour and a touch of salt, and I mix. When it becomes crumbly, I stop and I start working on the apples. For a 9-inch cast iron pan, I'm gonna use 4 extra large apples that I peel and I shred and I drain from all the water. Add a little bit of lemon juice. After draining most of the apple liquid, I add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Whether you like it regular sugar or baking no calorie sugar, it's totally up to you. A little bit of vanilla and I mix. I arrange the apple at the bottom of a cast iron pan, and on top of it the crumble. It's this easy. And I top it with a little bit of walnuts. I bake in the oven at 350 for half an hour, or until you can start smelling the most amazing smell and you won't feel guilty about eating it, because it's mostly oats and apples, a little bit of butter and a little bit of sugar. I hope you give it a try soon, and until next time, bon appétit! And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes, and follow me on social media, Instagram, Pinterest and Facebook. I'll leave the links in the description box below.